Ready to dominate the Brawl Stars arena, but on a bigger screen. Let's get you playing on your MacBook right now. First, head over to BlueStacks.com. This is the Android emulator we'll be using to run Brawl Stars. It's totally free and super easy to install. Click the big Download BlueStacks button. Once the file downloads, open it up and follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks on your MacBook. After BlueStacks is installed, launch it. You'll see the familiar Android interface. Now, find the Google Play Store icon and click on it. Sign in with your Google account, the same one you use on your phone. Then, in the Play Store search bar, type in Brawl Stars and hit enter. Find Brawl Stars in the search results and click the install button. Wait for it to download and install, just like you would on your phone. Once it's done, you can launch Brawl Stars right from BlueStacks. Log in with your Supercell ID, and you're all set. You can now play Brawl Stars seamlessly on your MacBook using your mouse and keyboard. Enjoy your gameplay.